Everything is brand new. The cups. Filipino bami. And look at the Syrian bami, how small. You see it?
Yes!
We just got here, mga tao. You see? We got the chiller and we're gonna put it down now. Okay, be careful the wire.
Bigyan lang nito sa ano, ilanap ko dito. Sabay tulak ko din. Sir, we need to remove this one.
Oh, we need to remove this. Atras, yeah, atras. Nice. Okay, this is the brand new oven. Oh la la, so big. It's quite big. Yeah, look at it. King size. Ganon kasi hindi labas sa pinto. Ooh. See, very traffic. Always traffic here. Grabe the traffic, man. See, so many foods. Inihaw, inihaw, barbecue, isaw. So we just arrived here in Yabaseo Korean Mart, Marcos Alvarez, Las Piñas. You see, you're strong.
What,
I don't know. I'm asking you. You see, so here we are in Yabaseo Korean Mart now. So this is 7-Eleven Pulang Lupa, Diego Sierra, mga tao. And we are just right here, second floor, Yabaseo Korean Mart. Ooh la la. So this is previously Yolo Retro Diner. It became Yabaseo Korean Mart. So this is our meat in here. You see, samgyeopsal. This is pork and we have beef also. This is only 100 pesos. Mura. Tapos this fish cake, rice cake. So we have everything in here.
This one?
So we are full of K-pop here. You see, K-pop pa more. We have crabs in here. You see, we have coffee, we have milk, we have all the drinks that you will look for. You'll find it here.
I remember the old dinner.
The old dinner?
The old dinner.
Diner.
Diner.
Yeah.
I remember the old.
Before, you know, this is washing machine. We wash clothes here. Okay, let's go mga tao. Let's go. So visit us here mga tao in Yabaseo Korean Mart, Naga Road, Pulang Lupawal, Las Piñas. You see a lot of stuff here. We loaded like 3 push carts full of stuff. We're gonna bring it home. So now mga tao, we have to bring all the stuff home. Tapos start putting everything in place. So the beds are here mga tao. You see the bed frames. So today is delivery of bed frames and the dining table. We're waiting for that. The dining table of 1 chairs. Yeah. Okay. So we need to assemble everything. Here up. Look at this. So we're removing the display now mga tao. We're gonna put a mirror in here. That's why we're removing these shelves para grocery. See, so we're gonna replace it with a mirror. Okay. So mga tao, I changed the lights already, and as you see, I have brand new chandelier. So this is my gold chandelier, para Arabic style, Syrian style. So when they arrive here, it's all like Syria. When they go inside, it feels like Syria. On this side, I put a brand new mirror. You see how big is the mirror? So kahit ako, sobra tangkad, kasya dito, mas malaki sa akin mga tao. So we put it near the dining table. We didn't fix it yet because it's still messy. This is also our brand new table. We're gonna fix everything. It's still messy because we didn't unbox everything yet. On this side, I have also brand new lightings. It's also color gold and it's cozy. I got it color gold para it's cozy. So when you go inside, we don't have white color. It's always like para sunset. It's always yellowish. So this is how I like it. On this side, I have my bird. You see, hello bird. So I have two birds, one facing there and one facing here. So as you see mga tao, they are facing each other. Sobra cute. So ganda. I didn't remove the plastic. Look at it. Naka-plastic. It's still in the plastic. We're gonna remove it para ano. It's still brand new. You know, when we buy something, we don't remove the plastic right away. We have to feel it for like few days. So my design for this condo is bluish gold, woodish, dark brownish. So you see mga tao, dark brown. But I have to sort out all these stuff. So I didn't buy it in one place, I bought it in many places. Also, on this side, of course, it has love and family is forever. Yossi, you're so noisy with your flash. So Yossi is making tae in the toilet. So here mga tao, we are fixing the bedroom, you see. This is the bedroom. We are gonna put the bed sheets and all this stuff. We're gonna put curtains, So let's start unboxing. These are the sets that we got in here. You see? So these are the pillows, are brand new pillow. So when you look at it, it doesn't look like pillow, right? Right now, it looks like basahan. But when you open it still looks like basahan. Hey! Where's my pillow? Grabe, para it's not that kind of pillow I'm expecting. It's so soft. So my nieces, I got this one for them. They said they don't want to be twinning, but I still make them twinning. Kasi paglagay ko iba-iba kulay, maging pangit yung kwarto. Diba? So we got the same color. One color here and different color there. It will look ugly. Let's see who is faster, me or you. If you fail the test, you follow me, you copy me, you don't know how to do it. They told me it's the same, but it's not. I want to refund emotional damage. How will you get in the middle to fix it? Like that. It should be more, you see, more, a bit more. Ooh! It's hot. They are the same. Twinning. Yeah! You don't know! Oh, gusto mo lagay dito? Dito na lang. So this is HRM, you'll see. Welcome to my sister's heaven. Ooh, can see Yossi? Nice, I like it. So I got her color blue, para it has like an accent in the room. Let's use the gray side. That's the flower side. Okay, blue na lang from now. Pangit! Did you eat your lunch? Oh, pork lempo. Yolo. Later we're gonna eat pizza in Yolo, so I'm so excited. Gusto mo malambot? Malambot pilo. So now, we're gonna interior design. So I bought a lot of chairs kasi we'll visit here. So, meron ng puwan. Tig-isa. Isang tao, isang puwet. You see this mga tao? It's gold and blue and woodish para everything is matching together. So now we're gonna do tablescaping. Look at this, para sandwich. What you see? Hindi ka abot? Hindi makita, so hindi malinis. So this is how it looks like, gold, brown, and blue. So beautiful. This is my style, you know. Remove the price tag. Baga akala for sale. So we're gonna design it same as my house, mirror style. Open the other flowers, you'll see. The other flowers. Sira. So there are only 4 sets. Alright. You check it, Yossi. Wala na sira. Wala na sira, ulo. Cheers, mga ta. Why is it? Yeah. Why is it like that? Come. Touch. Smell? Smell it. Smell! Para galing kanal. Smell! You should check. Diba you choose this? Ah, come. Grabe amoy suka. Ooh, you see the accent in here? Accent glass. So this is the plate sets that I bought. Ooh, look at this. It's ganda. So if you see the accent, it's blue and brown. The cups. And finish. Everything is brand new. So removing all the plastic. What is this?
It is Bami Absi.
Bami apsi?
Yes.
It means dry bami.
Small. Dry Bami. Small.
No, why it has like this, like a necklace? It looks like a necklace. Why? Like that, huh? You can wear it. Why like that? Jewelry. You know jewelry?
Yes.
This one, Syrian bami, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait. I'll bring you Filipino bami.
Yes.
I said, why is it like that? This one, my dad thought it's cucumber the other day.
This is more bigger.
And this is more bigger.
Yes.
Look, Filipino bami.
هاي في منها بسوريا بدير الزور منطقة
Look,
دير
look.
الزور.
Filipino bami. And look at the Syrian bami, how small. You see it? So in Syria we have also this size. You see the boys, they are here. They are chilling here with us because we're gonna cook. Moody boy and all the boys. We're gonna cook bami, Syrian food now. My dad is the chef, you know. My dad been cooking for a few days now. Boy, what? Bawal ka dyan, boy. It's bami day today, so that's why we're cooking this okra. You see, it looks really funny because it's so small. And my dad decided to cook it. He brought it with him. So this one, they dry it in the sun and then they cook it. It tastes so good. Actually, it's more tasty than the big one. You see, it's just small, but it's more tasty than the big okra.
We must cut meat small pieces.
So we boil it now, you see, for like 30 minutes. The okra, it got bigger. Oh. Good luck. You see? This is the okra, it's baby okra. And then this is the meat in there. You see the meat? It took us 3 hours to finish this grabe. This is the very good part also. This is where I spend a lot of time because I love eating. So this is my dining table in here. 2 mirrors, you see, one in front of me and another one near the dining table. This is the clock. I have also a nice chandelier on top of the dining table. Sliding closet. This is my view every day when I'm sitting. You see, I sit, I drink my coffee here early in the morning. Greeneries, you see, I hear birds all the time, which is amazing. I love nature, so this is amazing for me to say I love nature. So let me show you the room of the boys. So this is the room of the boys. As you see, it has a double deck bed with stairs going up. Ooh la la. There are a lot of drawers. See the wall, it has also accent. It's amazing, right?